Hi, I'm Bronson, the CEO of Giant, and today I'm going to give you a demo of our newest product, Invincible. If you're trying to improve the performance of your organization, then you need Invincible. But before I show you Invincible, I want to share a secret that we discovered after working with companies like Google, Delta, Pfizer, Chick-fil-A, Leidos, the US Air Force, and many other world-class organizations. We discovered a simple truth that changes everything. You cannot directly change the performance of your entire organization. The key to widespread organizational change is to focus on the teams within the organization, not the organization itself. If you improve relationships at the team level, then you improve relationships at the organizational level. If you improve communication at the team level, then you improve communication at the organizational level. And the same is true for alignment and execution and even capacity. Whether you have 20 people or 2,000 people, you cannot directly transform your entire culture from the top down, but you can transform your entire organization from the bottom up by focusing on your teams. Invincible, our newest product, is the most effective way to drive the team performance of every team within your organization so that you can improve the organization as a whole. If you care about your people and unlocking them to perform at their best, or if you need your organization to improve its bottom line, then you need Invincible Teams. Let me show you how Invincible works. First, everyone in your organization will get access to Invincible. And when they log in, the first thing they'll do is take the 5 Voices assessment. This allows Invincible to understand multiple dimensions of their personality and tendencies through our comprehensive algorithm that's been refined over the last 7 years during our work with hundreds of organizations across the world. After taking this assessment, everyone in your organization will be able to unlock their voice information. This will allow your people to understand themselves better than they've ever understood themselves before. They will understand why they respond like they do in certain situations. They will gain a clear view of how they behave under stress and why. They will see the natural strengths and growth opportunities of their specific personality. They will learn about themselves through a mix of quick reference cards, neuro-linguistic visuals, and deep dive videos. Ultimately, your people will gain the insights necessary to be a contributing factor for their team instead of a detriment. Helping your people know themselves is the first step toward improving your teams, which ultimately improves the organization. Next, your people are going to be able to learn these same insights about the people they work with. It's one thing to know yourself, but true transformation occurs within teams when they really know each other. Your people will be able to click on any coworker and learn about their voice and tendencies and strengths the same way they learned about themselves. Now your people will start to see each other in an entirely new way. When you understand that everyone is necessary, but everyone is different, true teamwork can occur. Helping your people know their teammates is the next step toward improving your teams, which ultimately improves the organization. Next, your people are going to unlock the core visual tools that we think every team member needs to know. These tools are simple, visual, and powerful, and they will guide your people toward high-impact behaviors that drive the team and the organization forward. One of these tools alone could completely change someone for the better. Having simple visual tools to reference in difficult situations is a key to a high-performing team. Then, your people will be able to unlock hundreds of hours of on-demand leadership training. Our Sherpa training is 50 sessions of videos, PDFs, quizzes, and group discussion that will help your people understand that leadership is not just about getting up the mountain, but rather, like a Sherpa, it's about leading others up the mountain also. Imagine if your teams were filled with people trained to be high performers who also created other high performers. This is how you transform the organization from the team level. Next, your people are given the opportunity to assess the teams that they are on. They will assess the team on the categories of relationships, communication, alignment, execution, and capacity. This is critical because this leads to what might be the most powerful aspect of Invincible. As a leader of your organization, you will now have access to real-time data about the performance of every single team in your organization. At a glance, you can discover how your organization is performing as a whole, which specific teams are performing at a high level, which teams are underperforming, how your organization and team scores are trending over time, and you'll even have the ability to drill down to the specific cause of a low score. Imagine having a single dashboard that gave you insights into your teams at the global level. Team-specific data is necessary for organizational transformation. I'm sure you now see why Invincible is such a powerful product. If you combine Invincible with the services of our consultants or guides, then you are ready to transform your entire organization. Our consultants and guides are trained to use Invincible inside your organization, and they can help you monitor team health and address problem areas on an ongoing basis. Are you ready to be invincible?